teeth
Yes.
had gone down up to here in the center line, not or come up from the our reference center line little bit and make a straight line only for our reference, because we are not going to just draw a standing line to the straight line. We are going to draw each of the teeth separately.
Okay, ma'am.
So now first from the center, these two teeth are separate from the center line, the incisors. This is so first this side two teeth are drawn, that is separately one rectangle and then one small line and then the others remaining triangle I have done like this. Can you see? I'll just bring, then you will be able to see the two lines separate. Might be not be able to see. Vedika, open your video. Yeah, got it. Can you see? Same, I'm going to take, that is the front teeth are of same size. Yes, Arohi, wait, just 1 minute. So first make the teeth and then separate other line you're going to take for the side one and make the other teeth. That's why I said this line is, if anything is seen, just erase it. The two teeth are not joined to each other. There is a space between each and every teeth. Separate line. I'll show you. You can keep very less line also, not required. I have made it so that you can clearly see it, the lines. Clear to everyone?
Ma'am, can you see my teeth?
Yeah. Iraira, there is a space here. You have made too heighted. See, there is a space. You can see in the picture also, there is a space from here to here. At least it is 1.5 centimeter or more than that. It is same here I have. You have not left any space below that. Same for you, Dhruvi. Okay, Dhruvi, the space is there. Arohi, okay. Arohi, here, delete the line which is between the two teeth, the horizontal line. So it will give a separation. This one, this one. Yes, very good. Yes, drizzling, very good. Done. Sanskriti, very good. Make this two. Side one.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Shivani, yeah, it is okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Iraira, yeah, it is okay. This space is very less in your case. I think you have made this very small. The height is itself small. Here the space is more. Open mouth. Okay, now take your, you can take shredder or you can take scale. We are going to make the lines. That is, there is lines on the lips are always having the lines. So with pencil, you're not going to make it with pencil. You're going to engrave it with your scale. Wherever I'm making lines, you're going to engrave it with your scale. Erase your all center lines or a reference line and just engrave one here with your scale, one this side. I'm able to see. Then down, I'm able to see this way. 1, 2, small 3. The circle what we had made, there is one big engraved line. Go down.
So, ma'am, these lines we have to make from the scale right now?
Yes, you are going to make it with the help of your scale like this. I'll just show.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I show you my picture?
1 second. Do the engraving and then show me. 1 minute. Huh? Where is it? Okay, with the edge of the scale, just make a line. Don't have lot of pressure, but the lines are to be made like this. The crack leaves. So I can see here, this is the, wherever I'm making line, you're going to make it with the scale. You're not going to make it with the line, pencil. I can see here. Now as I come, okay, first we'll make the cracks, then we'll give a circular effect here. It should not be pointing. Now as I come towards this area, it will be little bit curve will be there because they are going from front to back. So little bit curve, and as you approach this area, the distance will be decreased. It will be more like this. One is this side. Second, same, I'll do it this side. 1, 2. Now this was the circle line which was coming, so I have made it here. And then when I go from here, I give a curve.
Ma'am, can we make them?
Yeah, you're going to make it with the scale. So all this line what I have made, just make it with the help of a scale. Engrave that.
Ma'am, if we engraved it wrong, can we not fix it wrong?
You can, because on top of this we are going to make the lines, but whenever you make the engraving it looks very nice. That's why it gives that effect. The pencil lines, when you run inside that, the color will be fixed in that. Otherwise with pencil also you will be able to do it, but then that depth you will have to make it. That's why. So these are all lines what I have engraved. I've erased the pencil lines. Okay, Arohi. Okay, now one more thing. This side, everyone has done pointed. It should be little bit curved this side and also little bit curved this side. Don't make it pointed. Erase your point and just give a curve both the side.
teacher. Ma'am, can I show you my picture?
Yes. 1 second. Very good, Pragati. Yes, Dhruvi. Okay. Yeah, Arohi, show me. Very good, Arohi. Okay. Now, the top one. Yes, Iraira. Very good. Sanskriti done. Parth. Vedika. Yes, very good, Sanskriti.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
these lines which we made over here, you have erased them in half.
You don't have to make it with the pencil. This is to be engraved with the scale. Only you will not be knowing where to make it. That's why. Very good, Shivan. That's why I've shown it with the pencil. Otherwise, directly I would have made it with the scale. Pencil is not required. Vedika, I'm not able to see the engravings. Okay, but you have done it. Other things are okay, no problem. Have you done the engravings? Now, same is, now on the top, the engraving is not too much, but it's a heart shape here. So how will be the heart shape from top? You're just going to come. And this engraving will be very gentle because that we don't have to make the lines, only that you will be very gently make the heart engraving. And then there are lines like this, parallel to the heart at a distance. And as you come here, it is going to come in the center, but are you able to see my engravings? What I have done? It is in the shape of heart, what we have made. And parallel to that means this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, fifth, and then all which is near. Same I'm going to do this side. And the two lines are there, like this. Yes?
Ma'am, can you zoom in because I am working on these downer part engraving.
Okay, just hold on, I'll show you. Done with your all down this lip, lower lips you have done?
Ma'am, just 1 minute. Ma'am, I am doing.
Okay. The engravings, how will be, this is the upper lip, now your first engraving will be like this, so that the shape gives and then the curve will start and then you will follow the curve to the heart shape. Just see. Done everyone, now fast. With your pink pencil or which color you want to make. That color you can have. You're going to give an outline for the whole lip and the inner part, not for the teeth. But you're going to make this with the color and all this. What we have done with the pencil, you're going to erase the part and just load with the color.
Ma'am, any color?
Pencil color. Which color you want to make? That color you can have.
Any color.
I want to make pink color. You want to make different color? You can make it different color. Just hold on.
Want to pink. But we have to color it lightly.
Pink.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we use blue color?
परेशान जल्दी हो जाता है.
Blue. Why blue? It will look so odd. You want, you can use. I don't have any problem.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to erase our pencil lines.
Yes. Erase your pencil line, and with your pencil, the mark remains. So nothing inside, not the engraving what you have done.
Ma'am, can we do pinkish orange?
Yes, you can do it that, whichever color you want.
Ma'am,
Yes, Parth?
can I show you mine first?
Yes, sure. 1 second. Just hold on. Show me. Show me the top one, little bit. Take it down, 1 minute. Okay. Yes, you can erase and give the outline now.
Okay, ma'am.
Do a combo of color.
Hmm?
Can we do colors?
You can.
Can we do two colors?
How many colors? Means what colors you want to do?
Pink and red.
Yes, you can.
Can I do pink and orange?
Yes, you can.
How do I do?
How to means?
Like, should I put, once I put orange, then I put pink on top of it? Like, how do I?
Whichever shade you want to have, wherever the bright is there, use the light color. Wherever, or if you want pink and orange shade, then which shade you want more prominent? Orange is required prominent, then that will come on top. If you want pink more prominent, then that will come on top. Like that.
Can I use pink and red?
Yes, you can.
So by top, I have to use at the top or at the bottom?
Where pink and red, if you are doing in the same thing, wherever the dark is there your red will come and you are going to merge that with the pink. And those who want the shade of like pink and orange. So which shade you want on the top? Means should it look orange is pink, then the orange will come on top of the pink. But if you want a pink should be more than as compared to the orange, then orange will be the base color, and on top of that you are going to load the pink color.
Okay. Ma'am, can you see my
1 second. Huh?
We have to outline the drops.
Yes, everything. Why this? And outline with pink, no problem. Then whatever color you want, you can have there also.
Ma'am, if we have done like pink and orange in the lips, will it look good if I do some other color in the drips?
In where?
In the drips?
No.
Okay.
Whatever color you're using, you can load that separate to give the look that you have loaded two colors. But apart from that, if you're using red instead of pink and orange, then it will not look nice. Red will be more prominent as compared to pink and orange. This should be the main element is lips.
Ma'am, I have to outline the part where the upper lip and lower lip connect also.
Hmm?
We have to outline everything.
Yes, whole lip and this, nothing on the teeth side.
Excuse me, ma'am. This melting shade we have to do with the same color or from the other color with the other color.
No, same color.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
can you see mine now?
1 second, just hold on. Yeah, sure. You have not erased the pencil line. Uh-huh. 1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
Which color you're using? No, but I can see. Just show me your pencil lines are visible. That's why. Show me. You have not erased the pencil lines, Iraira. You have drawn the color on the pencil itself. See, I have also made. Can you see the this? Have you erased the pencil lines? The black color has been seen. That's why.
Okay, ma'am. I'll erase it better. Ma'am,
Yes.
the lip, should I do orange here or pink?
Where?
My screen.
You can give a shade of orange, bright wherever the brightness is there, na? There you can have all orange shade, but orange and pink should be mixed. It's separate orange and separate pink. A little bit difference it will see. Yeah. Yes, somebody wants to show. Yeah, Vedika. Show me. 1 second. Just wait. Have you outlined which color you're using? Okay. Drizzling, which color you're using?
Ma'am, I'm dark pink.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, Arohi, it is
Ma'am, we
okay.
have to color we have to,
Everything, droplets.
ma'am, in the lips lines.
No. Nothing on the lines right now.
Okay, ma'am. Then can I go to drink water?
Yes. Take your soft pastel.
Ma'am, is it better now? Ma'am, can
1 second.
soft pastel
For the background.
to my lips?
Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, it is better now. Iraira. Only for the background purpose. Remaining we are going to do with the pencil.
Ma'am, is it okay?
Yes, it is okay.
Ma'am, we are going to color the lips with the pencil color.
First, we are going to load it with the soft pastel and then we'll color it with the pencil color.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah?
Ma'am, can I use oil pastels?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
But you know how to merge it and all that?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am,
1 second. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. I'll do it.
Okay.
Okay.
It will give a very nice shine if
Okay,
you're
ma'am.
doing with the oil pastel.
Okay.
Yes? Sanskriti?
Excuse me, ma'am. After outlining, what we have to do?
We'll start loading the soft pastel.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. See, I'm going to load pink color.
Background. Ma'am,
Background, you can do anything with it. Yes.
ma'am, can we use paint?
Paint. You want to load, you can load background. I'm showing with the this soft pastel.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
I have a dark
will
pink.
also do on oil, with oil pastels.
Huh?
Ma'am, I am also doing with oil pastels. Soft pastels, soft pastels.
Okay.
Ma'am, how does it look?
Yeah, it is okay now. Now, with the pink, see, in this area on the top, there is a white area. So, I'm not going to load my soft pastel. I'm giving a shape there. The heart shape is there. Na? So, making that heart shape.
Ma'am,
so
is
that,
this red color?
no, this is dark pink which I'm having. I'll make it light now. I just load.
Yeah.
I don't have light pink in my soft pastel. I'll make it light now. Yes?
Excuse me, ma'am, I only have red and magenta color. So which color should I use?
I'm using magenta color.
Ma'am, which color I have to use? Ma'am,
Pink color, pink color. Yes?
This?
Yeah, you don't have other pink. My other pink is lost. That's why. Because that
I
light
don't
pink
have
is there.
other pink.
Yeah?
Ma'am, I have
Yes.
20 shades which are these. Okay.
Okay, go with that pink. No problem. Yes?
Ma'am, if we make a mistake in soft pastels, what do we do?
Soft pastel, you can load the colors on top of the soft pastel.
Ma'am?
That's why no problem. Yes?
Ma'am, I have outlined by blue. So which color I have?
Blue, you're going to use blue if you are outlined with the blue. I have loaded in this area.
Then can I
I'm going to load very less. Why? Because this pink is dark pink. I'm going to make it light with the help of white loading. Now you're going to go with the engravings what we have made, the shape. That is, see, can you see how I'm loading? This is only the background we are loading. Once we add fixative, we are going to load the pencil colors. So I just want little bit background which will help me to make. See now, can you see the engravings on top of it?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
If I've used orange and pink, should color it with orange and pink?
Yes, little bit orange and little bit pink you give, and wherever you see bright, wherever you will make there you can make it orange and
Can I use this blue?
huh?
Ma'am, this blue.
Yes, you can, but that will not look nice. Instead of that, if you take ink blue, that will look nice.
Ma'am, in screen it is looking light blue, ma'am, but it is dark blue.
Acha, okay, okay. Then I don't have any problem.
Ma'am, can you see?
1 second, just show me.
Ma'am, can I top pink, bottom red?
Yes. Huh? No, Vedika. Okay, do it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, I'm loading very less pink. If your pink is light pink, you can load full completely the not thick loading, but at least this is my dark pink. It will turn out to be a rose pink. That's why I'm just loading little bit of it.
Excuse me, ma'am, and once strictly colored the pink magenta color into
Huh?
that white portion also.
Okay, now first merge it and load lot of white in that area. Okay.
So there's a white tag कर देती हूँ. Ma'am, we have to load it like this.
Sidewise. Yes. Not too much hard. Only here, top of it is white. Arohi, only top of it is white. Otherwise, I've loaded all everywhere the pink. Just merge it with the direction here, with the shape. This is the shape of the leaf. So I'm going it in that same direction like this. See what I've did. The top one is with the shape like this. So I'm merging it in this way. But sideways, it is with the engravings we have made with the help of the heart shape. So I'm going and merging it in the same way.
चौक जैसे चौक से करना है चौक ही मान लो
Now, if you feel it is too dark, mine is rose pink. So what I am doing? I'm just loading white over it after merging. Because my pencil has to, I have this pencil which is light. Can you see? I have this pink pencil. So if I use rose pink or for the base itself, this pencil will
Ma'am?
not be seen. Yes?
Do we do strokes from up to down or down to up?
The strokes are sideways. In the center, it is this way. And the heart shape is this way, coming downwards, like this. This is this way. Just see, I've made it light, the pink shape, by loading white over the. I made it pink shape, rose pink. Now down. I'll show where.
मैं तो उन दीदी का वही भूल गई उन्होंने कहा
Yes, go on mute.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम इज दैट फाइन
Yes, it is fine. Okay. Now the down. Just see. Down. I'm making the white. Yes.
Ma'am, now what should I do because I did not left the area.
Take your white and load it in this area.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
First do one thing. Do you have dry brush? Remove from this area how much pink you can remove. Just remove it. You will be able to remove it. Dry brush, completely dry brush.
Ma'am.
Not a single drop of water.
Ma'am,
Remove the powder from this. This is a powder. So remove this from here and then load white. Yes?
is it okay?
Yeah, it is okay. Load it in the center. Now, down I can see the white shape like this. One coming down. Yes? Yeah, it is okay. Merge the colors. Can you see? I've merged it very nicely. Smooth merging should be there. Okay? Now, just this is the area where I can see the white. Okay, leaving this area, I'm loading the downwards. Straight, center will be straight. I'm loading little bit dark down. I want the lower lip little bit dark. So in this area, I can see the dark also at the edges. That is at this end, it is dark. So I'm loading little bit dark in this area. And then this will be very less. Center and circular and sideways standing lines. this is going to come down.
Ma'am, we have to color in the lines also.
Yes, everywhere. Only the white area don't color, because if your white pencil will not work, then the shine will not come. That's all. Otherwise, no problem. You can load all over it, and with your white pencil, if your white pencil is working, you can load the white area to give the shine.
Ma'am, is it good?
Yes. Yeah, it is good. On the top, little bit pink is there here. The white is in the middle part. Top also pink is there, and down also.
And make it.
Yes. Now this has become dark. So what I'm doing? I'm loading my white. But here I'll load little bit of white because I want dark at this area whole. So just loading little bit of white, not too much. And first merging this area to give the light shade. And here down, let it be done. Now, I would have been loading the colors here also, but I'm not doing that like this. I'm going to load it very nice, Arun. I'm going to load it separately. That is downwards. Downwards, this is this way. Just load it in the standing direction, all the droplets. In droplets, if you are not able to make the white area to give the effect of droplets, you can just load your white paint over it at the time of detailing, okay?
Ma'am, is this fine?
Yes. Yes, that is fine. Soft pastel is such medium that is once you load it, and if anything goes wrong, you can change it with the help of your pencil colors. Any color can get too dark, it is then little bit hard, but then also you can load any color over the other shade. So by mistake, if you have loaded more orange with the pink and you don't want it, then with the help of your dark pink, you can give a little bit shade of dark pink in that area. It's like that. So that's why soft pastel is a very best medium. Slow, fast also, we are able to complete our artwork, and secondly, we can mend the colors. We can load the colors. By mistake, if I load different color, I'll be able to load the other color on top of it after adding the fixate.
Ma'am, but I don't have fixator.
Then you'll have to take the pencil colors and make it with the help of your paper under your palm area. Yes. What happened? Done. We have done with the loading of what to do. Will you be careful to load the black color? I'll show there is no black. Below the teeth, but the teeth you're not going to load any of it. I'm loading this black, or you can load it afterwards with your oil pastel also, or with your black pen. I'm just loading black before adding the fixate.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is this black soft pastel?
Yes, this is black soft pastel, but I've loaded at end because if it touches anywhere, you'll not be able to leave that black color anyhow.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I was just asking what we have to do the same magenta color for these droplets.
Yes. Same
Okay,
color.
ma'am.
Be careful, don't go inside the teeth. Otherwise, then you'll have to use the white paint. I'm not going to use white paint. I'm going to do with the shading to give the shining effect.
Ma'am, can you see my shading because I
Yes. Can you see everyone? And just show me, then add the fixate. Yes. Very nice. Add little bit of orange here. You have loaded yellow. Dhruvi?
No, it's orange.
From the camera it is looking this. Yes, go on mute. Who's? Yeah, it is looking little bit yellow. That's why it's okay. Then it is okay. I thought that it is yellow. Yes, show me. Done. Okay, Dhruvi, you don't have fixative. What about others? Show me fast and add the fixative. Yes.
Ma'am, can you see?
Very good, Vedika. You can add fixative. Arohi, very nice.
Can I show you?
Yes.
the black?
Huh?
Can I add the black below the teeth?
Yeah, yes, you can add, but be careful. It should not go out because that black you'll not be able to move out. Yes, 1 minute, Iraira. Tristan, very good. Add the fixative. Pragati, very good. Yes.
Ma'am, can I use black pencil color afterwards?
You can use black pencil color. You can use black paint also. No problem.
Ma'am, can I add my fixative?
Yes, you can, Pragati. Sanskriti, add the fixative. Shivani, okay. You have loaded this soft pastel, oil pastel.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah. Iraira, it is okay.
Can you
Yes.
tell how to add a fixative?
Yeah. What happened?
Ma'am, can you tell how to use a fixative?
1 second, just hold on.
Can I
Somebody
show
is.
you?
Yes, show. Parth, show me.
Ma'am, is it okay? Fixative?
Krishan, you have loaded all over the blue background. Be careful while loading because that soft pastel, the background will be of the same color. 1 minute apart. Yes, you have loaded properly, but here also do okay afterwards. Now, whenever you're adding for this much area, you're going to add I'm going to add fixative only on this area. Huh? Yes, Parth, show me.
Ma'am, I have to add on only this area.
Yes. Very good, Parth. Parth, load little bit of white in this because this has become very light and this has become, the down lip has become little bit dark. Yes.
Ma'am, I have to do only this.
I said to everyone, those who are adding fixative will add only in this area.
Ma'am,
Okay,
only
I just show everyone, just hold on. In your, if you're just fixative has to be added in the open area, but which is not possible, which I do inside my home. But that time I put off all the fans, or if a AC is on, that also you'll have to put off. Take a paper on your floor and keep the artwork. Yes. Who? Please go on mute.
Excuse me, ma'am, can we load the fixative on the white portion also?
Everywhere. Fixative will be added everywhere. Okay? Now,
Mine also.
huh?
And mine also.
Not behind, only in the. She's asking about this white area or this white area. There you have to load the fixative.
Okay, ma'am. I'm
Yeah.
not in background.
No, not in background.
Okay.
I've kept the artwork
Can
on
you see
paper.
mine?
Yes.
Can you see mine and tell if I can add fixative?
Yes, you can add fixative. Okay. Now, cover your mouth with mask or anything because sometimes it becomes allergic. Those who have allergy can just shade your fixative before adding, and then I'm going to add it in this area only so that the soft pastel what has been added.
Ma'am, we have to use it with the fan on or fan off.
Fan off.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes,
But I did the fixative full paper.
that's okay. We have not loaded in the full paper, that's why I've done it that much area only.
So what happens if we don't put the paper on the floor?
Hmm? It should be, the distance should be at least 1 foot distance. So you'll have to go stand on top and then give the this. And what happens whenever you add the fixative, the powder color, you'll have to tap before this. But if the powder is there, that goes everywhere. It can shift to the white area also. So be careful while doing it. When it is far away, then at least it goes in that area. Here also the fixative must have been loaded, but it will not take this color everywhere. 1 second, I'll just go and wash my hands till it dries.
Excuse me, ma'am. How is it looking? Ma'am, are we going to do any other thing with the soft pastels now? Ma'am, it's not there.
Done?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Very
are we
good,
going
Arun.
to do any other thing now with the soft pastels?
No, not now.
No. Ma'am, is it okay?
Yeah, it is okay. Don't touch now. Don't spread, otherwise black will be spread everywhere. You'll spread the black everywhere.
Ma'am, the fixative is smelling really bad right now.
Yes, it is.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is it okay?
Yes, it is okay. Let it dry. Don't touch it, or the color will come on hand.
Ma'am, it became little dull after.
Yes, it will become dull. Let it be.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Why? Just hold on. I'll tell you what to do. Then you leave.
Ma'am,
Now-
because I have another class.
Yes, just 1 minute. Those who have used the color, only now we have loaded everywhere. Only with the help of your pencil, which color is there, outline it and take that color, little bit color inside it. See, this outline is already there, but run your pencil over it.
Same color.
Yes, same color. Why? Which different color you will going to use? This will give a shine on the top of. Wait, I'll just show you.
Ma'am, what are you doing? Ma'am, which color?
I'm loading pink color.
Ma'am, outlining.
On the outer area, I'm just loading the color because inside we are going to load it this way, with the shade. But outside, we are just going to first outline. Just wait, I'll show you what I'm doing. Let it dry up, or the color pencil will come. See, sideways I've done it. When we'll do the complete, it will give a shine to that area. Yes?
Does it have to be thick?
Yes, that has to be thick. The sideways, yes.
And is it all over the lips?
All over the outline, because center part we are going to load it this way. See, that will do it afterwards. First, you're going to load the outer this for the whole, not inside the droplets. Done? Got it? You can leave now. Those who want to leave can leave it. Yes?
Ma'am,